Hello, guys. Do you wish there was a way to record Netflix videos and watch them offline? In today's video, we're going to show you how to record Netflix videos with Kigo Netflix Video Downloader. Launch Kigo on your computer and click to set the output format. Browse and find the video you want to record. Click to open the details page. Click on this download button. Choose the episode you want to download. Click Advanced Download for more detailed settings. Select the audio language. You can also save them only audios or subtitles. Click the Download button to start. Once the download is complete, click the File button to quickly find the downloaded video. Thanks for your watching.